Let's take a look. Recently, a series of major events have occurred in the universe and on Earth. First, the largest 3D map of the universe was released. Next, scientists discovered that dark energy is slowly weakening. Finally, the culprit behind the Earth's extinction events has been found. This truly challenges and expands our understanding of the universe, refreshing our senses and knowledge. Let's explore these discoveries together. The first 3D map of the universe. Currently, the Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument, DESI, has created the largest 3D map of the universe to date. This map includes data from nearly 18.7 million celestial bodies, covering 4 million stars and millions of galaxies. The map allows humanity to glimpse information from 11 billion years ago. Although DESI's primary goal is to study dark energy, it also helps scientists understand galaxy evolution and the structures of black holes and other celestial bodies. However, this is just a small part of its overall map. In the future, the map will expand at a rate of 10 times every 10 years, providing even more breathtaking images of the universe. Second, dark energy is weakening. While studying the 3D universe map, scientists unexpectedly discovered that mysterious dark energy is weakening. Dark energy is a force completely different from gravity. The accelerating expansion of the universe indicates that dark energy plays a role in this process. One theory suggests that the universe will eventually enter a big freeze, but recent findings from DESI might suggest otherwise. It's possible that dark energy could eventually drop below zero or even turn negative. If this happens, the expansion of the universe could reverse, leading to a big crunch, a collapse that will restart a new phase of expansion. Third, Parker Solar Probe's leap. Recently, NASA's Parker Solar Probe once again accelerated toward the Sun at nearly 7,000,000 km/h. Reaching a point just 6 million kilometers from the solar surface. This speed is fast enough to cross the entire span of China in just 20 seconds. The probe has made 23 close encounters with the Sun so far, protected by an 11-centimeter thick carbon composite heat shield that can withstand temperatures up to 1400 C. This is far from a reckless venture. The 4 instruments aboard the probe are set to unlock 2 of humanity's most perplexing mysteries: the solar corona and the solar wind. Fourth, the history of the Moon's basin. This enormous impact crater, with a diameter exceeding 2,500 kilometers, is the largest impact crater on the Moon. However, the history of its formation has remained a puzzle for scientists. For years, scientists have tried to determine the age of the Moon's Icon Basin. Finally, a research team led by Chinese scientists has confirmed the formation date of the basin as 4.25 billion years ago. By analyzing the first batch of rock samples brought back from the basin by China's Chang'e 6 mission and dating the uranium minerals within, they have provided new evidence of the Moon's violent formation from asteroid impacts when the solar system was only about 300 million years old. Fifth, the truth behind mass extinctions. Previous research has shown that 2 major extinction events, the late Devonian and Ordovician extinctions, were directly caused by ozone layer depletion. This coincided with 2 supernova explosions in history. Scientists believe that the X-rays released by a nearby supernova burst directly impacted Earth's atmosphere, damaging the ozone layer and exposing life to harmful ultraviolet radiation, thus triggering the mass extinctions. Some are worried about the effects of supernova explosions on humanity, but there's no need to be concerned. Since the supernova is far from Earth, even if humans are still around, it will not lead to an extinction event.